All right. Today we got some Bowman 2024. I finally got my hands on these. They've been impossible to find in stores. I'm one of those people that I don't like to order my cards shipped just because I'm afraid of the damage that it could possibly get on its way here. But we found them in stores. We found it in Target. Surprisingly, Target's kind of far away from here. The closer one that I have near me, it does not have Bowman in there. So I was very happy to see these. As soon as I saw them on the shelf, I went sprinting over, picked up a couple of these. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. But without further ado, we got Bowman's 2024, and I am so excited to open these. Hopefully, we get some of these good, uh, some good cards. If you are new to the channel, last video, I pulled a true photo out of a super box for the series 1, so go ahead and check that out. But oh man, I am so excited for this. All right, on to the first pack. So let's put that up. Gives us a nice little background. I've seen these. Ooh, I already see green, so that's green's a good color. Green is a color that we like. I've seen these. These cards look amazing. I like this series 1 as well. Heritage, so. But yeah, you can see we got green. That's a nice start. All right, we got Schwerzer, Yelich, Corey Seager. Okay, got rookie card, Zach Gallup, another rookie, and nice, very nice, nice little Nolan Shanuel rookie card. And I live out here, so I don't know. Maybe I might have to take this to the Angels game and try and see if I can get it signed. And we got a first Bowman. We got two first Bowmans. Wow, this box is off to a hot start. Very hot start. That's some nice pulls right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Got a chrome first Bowman of the same card, Isaiah Drake. Drake is coming in hot on this pack. That is so dope. Then we got Marcelo Meyer, another chrome. So very first pack of me pulling out Bowmans, and it's coming out swinging. I'm I'm sold. I'm sold on this. This pack is already better, way better. All right, we got Andrew Abbott, another good rookie. Luis Robert, got like hundreds of this guy's cards already. Rookie Anthony Volpe, Corbin Burns, Leo Rodriguez. So who we got? We got Blaze Jordan. This is a cool looking card too. I like these cards. That's number 79 out of 100. Very nice. And look at that. Look at that. Another first Bowman. God, this thing is ripped up. Another one. Carson Rucker. Oh my goodness. Is this just going to be the hottest pack ever? Got Matt Shaw in the chrome. So the difference, yeah. Look at that. That is, I love that look. That is so dope, man. Certain views or viewing points, the backgrounds go away and they come right back at you. These things are awesome. Colson Montgomery to end it out. All right, man. I don't know. This might be the best money I've ever spent so far. No, you can't see it because I'm behind the camera, but I got the biggest smile on my face right now. These are awesome. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, there we go. Another rookie, Bo Bichette, killing it. Matt Olson and Colton Cowser, another good rookie. Then I have no idea what insert this is, but Jesus, does that look crazy. God, that's a good looking card. It's a little bent though, and I didn't do that. That's just how it is. That's how it came. So that's a bummer. But nah, the edges and corners look fine. So I don't know. We'll see. All right, we got first Bowman. Yeah, I don't. It's weird. It's these kind of chrome ones have like a bend to them, whereas this base card's just perfectly straight. I don't know if that's just something that happens with these cards, but yeah, I don't know. Definitely something to look out for. Put these off to the side. So I mean, I don't know. On the box it says keep an eye out for first Bowmans, but we'll see. Look at that. I've pulled like 6 or 7 out of them. So I don't know if they're that rare. They just say that they're rare. Yeah, we got Lawrence Butler, Nick Gonzalez. This is the guy that I pulled that true photo out of the last pack on my last video. So that's cool. Like I'm gonna be able to, and I believe I have a blue insert of this as well from Series One. So that might be going up on the eBay uh, in a little bit here. 11 Mart. God, these cards look so good. I mean, even their base cards. Like, look at how cool and just neat that looks. That looks so like everything is placed nicely. Everything looks good. And we got Jackson Holliday. Nice. On our prospect power up. Good looking card, too. Baltimore Orioles. They're a good team this year. I'm a Yankees fan, but man, that team, I'm scared of that team. We go another first Bowman. So, like I said, I don't know if they're that rare. I think they might have just said that they're rare. We got those last two. Let's put them off to the side. Am I reading them wrong? Extremely limited legendary first Bowman. So maybe there's a different style of the first Bowman that I haven't pulled yet, but I'm just seeing first Bowmans, and because this is the first time I tried to not watch too many videos of other people opening their packs just because I kind of wanted to get a true reaction to my first pack of these. I've heard, that these are, oh, there we go, Yamamoto and Austin Wells. And we got Juan Soto, my man. He's crushing it for us this year. That guy is, the Yankees are going to have to pay him a lot of money after this year. Colin Hupp, also doing pretty well. What number is this? 88 out of 100. That's nice. Whenever you pull these cards and there's only 100 of them, I mean, at least okay, that is rare. 100 going around the world, that's not something that's going to be too plentiful of. It'd be nice to get an Ellie Del Cruz out of 100 out of that. That'd be sick. But oh, I see green. I see green. We like green. We like green. Green. And look at that. Speaking of the devil, we pull Ellie. But we got Verlander first. Nice. So that means I've got most, I think I've got 3 different variations now of his rookie cards. Chisholm, Mookie Betts, and we got Camilo Diaz for a green. Playing for the Houston Astros. Nice looking card. I like those green. All right. Well, here we go. We got a chrome version of a first Bowman. So yeah, I don't look at that. I mean, we got two first Bowman, so I don't think they're. I'm probably tripping out and thinking that they're all the first Bowmans are something special, but that might be me. Okay, let's go on to our second pack. That first box though, don't know how much those are worth. Wow, I got to change the blade on this thing. Don't know how much these are worth. I'll have to look it up later, but I mean, just from a card standpoint, I like those cards. The looks of them, everything looks really nice and tidy on them. They're centered pretty good. I haven't seen one that I'm like, oh, that one is way off. But that first box, man, that put a smile on my face for sure. I think Bowman, all the stories that I heard of these being the best ones to buy this year, living up to the hype right now. All right, here we go. Second box. Can we get something crazy good out of these? Let's see. Jason Dominguez, good rookie. And what do we have here? Another crazy looking card. We got a rookie card. Junior Caminero, rookie for the Tampa Bay Rays. We got. I'm interested. I got to follow up more on this guy. He plays for the Yankees. First Bowman. What is he? A catcher? He's a catcher. Man, the Yankees are gonna have a bunch of good catchers. Austin Wells is doing well. He's doing really good. On top of that, I think Severino is doing awesome. Oh, that looked crazy. Let's see what card we get. Trey Turner, Jose Altuve, and another crazy Jackson Holliday. Nice. So that's two good Jackson Holliday cards that we've pulled. Let's see. Is this one numbered? No, no numbered, but looks like a purple. Man, that card looks sick. I hope he does well, man. We got Power Up, Brock Wilken. First Bowman. Yeah, so I'm tripping on the first Bowmans. I thought all first Bowmans were going to be something like special, and I was just getting lucky, but I guess we'll see. Time will tell. A lot of these rookies, though, the rookies are. There's a lot of good young players right now going around the league. That Orioles team, man, that Orioles team is filled with a bunch of young, good players. All right, we got Jackson Merrill, 100, number 7 out of 100. Nice. Be sick if that was a 1, but we'll take 7 out of 100 for sure. We got first Bowman, Luke Adam. And look at that. Look who reappears. Jackson Holliday. Man, they love Jackson Holliday in these packs that I bought today. He's getting featured a lot. Rough start, got sent back down, but I think over time, as he gets better, as he gets more used to the game speed, I think he's gonna do all right. He's got the genes. I see green. Schwarzer, and we got Kevin Sim. Not to be confused with the King of Nuko, Eric Sim. We got Kevin Sim, first baseman and outfielder. Good looking card. All right, we got a chrome first Bowman and Jack Hurley. All right, down to our last two packs. So far, 60 some odd dollars that I spent on these packs. I am very happy with them. Girlfriend's not going to be very happy at me, but I'm very happy with these. It kind of seems like, oh, there we go. Noelvi Marte, Chrome rookie card. Very nice looking. Rookie of the Year favorite, John Cruz. And don't worry, I do sleeve my cards like I said in my last video. I'm just waiting till after the video. Then we'll get them all sleeved up, figure out which ones I want to get rid of, put up on eBay. I'm interested to see the value of what I got too. There's a lot of good looking cards here, but who knows? It might be $1. All right, start off two rookies, another Volpe. Luis Roberts, man. I've got a lot of his cards too. Alexander Canario. He's going to go in the rookie pile. Kyle Manzardo, number 41 out of 100. Another good player. He's doing really well. There's Bowman. Douglas Glaude, first Bowman, and Spencer Nivens. Nivens. So yeah, all in all, that's the rip. But all in all, I'm very very happy with these pools. The rumors are right. These are the best packs to get. These ones I felt like with the way that the cards look and just what I was getting. I've gotten a lot of numbered cards. I mean, regardless of who the player on those cards are, I feel like this is definitely well worth the money. So I'm going to be looking around for them in the future. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. It would really help me out. I would love to be able to make some money off of these videos to get more packs just to make more videos because it's something that I've been really enjoying. So like, subscribe, share with your friends. I appreciate your time. Till next time, shoot.